In this video I'm showing you another mess gear item. This would be more for use at a base camp or with your field kitchens with your unit. This is an Italian folding fry pan. These are for sale at Sportsman's Guide for $18 a piece, which is the Buyer Club's amount. They are 12 inches in diameter. These pans are huge. The handle on it is 18.5 inches. The weight total of this whole thing is a little over 2 pounds. Now, as you can see on it, the handle does fold. Mine's still a little rough because I haven't cleaned it or added any oil to it. To hold the handle in place, insert the pin, and it's an extremely long handle. I've seen e-tools with shorter handles than this fry pan has. This thing is really designed for use over campfires. So that's an option. You know, you get yourself a good campfire going, you want to fry up a large amount of stuff for a group of people, here you go. You know, this thing's 12-inch in diameter. You could almost, you know, pan fry a pizza inside this thing. It's so huge. And I'm sure there's ways for doing it. Now, would I recommend you carry something like this on your rucksack for moving from place to place? Probably not, because of its general size. The thing is huge. So that's why I would say it's more for use at like base camps and that type of stuff, or for carrying around on the back of a vehicle inside a box of stuff for use with your mess team at a field kitchen. So, but it's still an option. It's $18. It's more than what you would spend for a fry pan at a thrift store. But it has, like I said, the extra long handle for giving you extra protection for over campfires and stuff. The pan itself is made out of aluminum, and it does seem to be a pretty good thickness on the aluminum. It's not beer can thickness. This is a lot thicker. So it'll probably take a few knocks before you're going to dent it. Just another option. Now, for all my engineer brothers in the Patriot and Militia movements, always remember, essayons.